Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. Stay forever true. My name is Brandy. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more vegan vegetarian meals. So we're going to start off with jackfruit. I use the jackfruit that's in brine from Trader Joe's. You can also get it in water. So all you're doing is just breaking it apart, and it's going to go into shredded pieces naturally as you break it apart. Now you might come to some hard pieces. Now you can just shred these with a knife, or you can just leave them as is. And the little parts that look like little pods, keep those as well. Make sure that you're draining your jackfruit as much as possible. So I keep mine in a colander. Now I put the ingredients for my sauce in the description box. But really, you can use anything for your jackfruit teriyaki barbecue sauce. You can just add like a little bit of Asian seasoning to it. Anything really. And when you use this Trader Joe's, I think it's Soyaki marinade sauce, make sure you only use a small amount because it's very salty. Just put your jackfruit on a pan, and I started to use only half of the mixture, but I end up just using all of the sauce. But you can use half of it and maybe just have some of it left over to put on top of your teriyaki bowl. Put this in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes, and then take it out and then move it around a little bit and put it back in for another 10 minutes, depending on your oven. And now I'm just using zucchini. I cut them up into half moons. And when I do something like this, I always try to make like twice as much. That way I can just have it for lunch the next day. Makes it a lot easier when you're trying to do vegan and vegetarian meals. So I use baby bok choy, which I really love to use. I got it from the local Asian market here in St. Louis. If you live here, go on Olive. It's very inexpensive. So I make sure that I separate the bottom parts from the leaves, because they cook faster. The leaves cook faster than the bottom part. So what you do is you put the stems in first, let that cook for a little bit till they get soft, and then you add your leaves. That way everything cooks evenly. You could also use I like to get the frozen Asian steamed vegetables from Aldi. You can also use those instead. And when I do my zucchini, I let them saute in some olive oil or coconut oil for a while, and I let them get brown because I like that brownness on zucchini. I don't like them to be too slimy. I don't know. What do you guys like? I know I don't like it slimy. And just cover it up. And yes, I do cover my pans up with plates. And make sure that you add soy sauce. I added ginger as well to mine. Fresh ginger would be really great too. Or you can completely omit the soy sauce. Instead, you can use like amino acids. That's a good addition. So here is our jackfruit. As you can see, it has a nice color. It's sticky. It's really good. Like I said, you can use any sauce that you want, but for this particular recipe, I use the Trader Joe's Soyaki. So, girl, I'll put it in the description box. You all will see. And now I use white rice. Of course, you can use brown. It's better for you to use brown and it's more filling, but I just use white. That's what I had. And then as you can see on top, I had some plum sauce in my refrigerator, so I added that on top. And this is just a great meal. Like I said, you can put it in your fridge for later, for lunch, or for dinner the next day. I hope you all enjoy this video. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram under Stay Forever True #1. Thank you all for watching, and all that you do, stay forever true. Peace.